I'll use the pencil, I'll use a highlighter. Like I'm
Okay.
highlighting this area here. So
Okay.
could this seems like a potential order block?
That that is correct.
Or would
That is
yeah.
correct.
And also when also counting for example, would this also be considered a potential order block here? Like right here.
It yes, it could be. It's just that you see that the pushes are not that strong.
Okay.
The
So
actual candle, like we
yeah.
right here, it could potentially be something maybe in smaller time frames for sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure maybe in this push there is something maybe
Yeah.
in 15 minute or 5 minute. Yeah, I'm
Uh,
definitely very sure there's something in here. But
okay.
can you
Mm,
see?
um, yeah, because I'm actually like just looking at this potential. What about this one here? The one that I actually highlighted right there.
Right there, maybe as well,
Yeah.
maybe on smaller time
Mm.
frames.
Okay, okay. Yeah, because I'm just trying to filter out the small ones and like trying to understand like what exactly should I just be focusing? Should I just be looking at the key areas, specifically the key areas?
Exactly. You need to pay attention to a key level and pay attention to the big moves, big candles. Normally with no wicks. If it's possible, maybe there's no wicks. You don't see a wick at all.
Oh, okay, okay,
And
okay,
for example,
okay.
something in this area that is very important that is happening. Do you see this
Mm.
this BOS?
Yeah, yeah. The breaker
Beautiful.
structure.
Yeah, we have a beautiful BOS, and below this low, what's happening? We have a
Oh,
beautiful.
okay. Change your character.
Uh-huh. And what did the market did after that?
Okay, reverse. Okay, I see. Pull
Uh-huh.
back. Okay.
Exactly. Where do you see a
Yeah.
drop here? Beautiful, big, big drop from
Mm.
the top.
Yeah. Yeah, right there.
Look at that. This,
Yeah.
the market did completely a change of character. The market was creating higher highs and higher
Yeah.
lows. It was push, pull back, push, pull back, push, pull back. It was very,
Yeah.
what is the word? Harmonic. It was a very harmonic
Yeah.
right here. Right?
Mm.
But then all of a sudden
Yeah.
something happens that the price decides to go down and break this previous low. It broke it aggressively,
Yeah.
and now it's pulling back. And that pullback came back, activating the order block, and boom, boom.
Mm.
So beautiful example of order block right there. Is there any imbalance there? I don't see at least. Of the drawings stayed on the. I'm not sure if you have the option there to remove the
Yeah, yeah.
the drawings.
Oh yes, I think I do. Yeah. Let me just yeah, let me just remove.
Yeah, there we go. Thank you, my man.
Okay.
Let's see, maybe a little imbalance. You see that this week, look at the size of this week, and the candle, the next candle just starts right there. So it's not the imbalance is not
Mm.
is not too big. There is a little imbalance just right there in that zone, just little, but it still
Mm.
was filled. The imbalance was actually filled because the price did came back up. But the idea here is to see, hey, what's happening? Beautiful, simple structure formation. The price was on a nice uptrend right there. Price was pushing up,
Yeah.
push, pull back, push, pull back. Now this pullback breaks the trend and also breaks the previous low. That's the change of character. Now what we do at this point is just wait for the price to come back to the order block. You can place your sell limit order right there. Now, something also very important that happened here that maybe we're missing it, and is that in this aggressive drop, what do you see here? Look at the size of this aggressive drop. Yes, there was another
Okay.
order block here. This is another order block. This is why I'm saying
Mm.
whenever you spot a BOS and a change of character,
Yeah.
you will be finding in some scenarios, in some cases, you're going to be finding more than one order block. And this right here is the perfect example as well. So on this one, you got stopped out, right? You had, the price was dropping, so drop, pullback, drop, right? So this drop was nice, clean drop. It's a huge drop, and there was actually imbalance as well. It was imbalance here from this week to this week. We had imbalance. Okay, but what happened? Even if we had imbalance, we had the auto block. Why the market continued pushing up? That criteria for this type of example, this will happen. There's nothing we can do here to know exactly where it's going to stop. So you took this L, okay, fine, you took it, but then you enter on the second entry, and then that's it. You know, you caught, just lose the 1% here, and this next entry gave you a what? A 1 to 9 restore reward. So what do you care about losing this one? You see that you shouldn't be scared to take the risks. What I'm saying is that if you spot 2 order blocks, because it will form sometimes 2 or even 3 order blocks on this drop right here, just take the risk. Place the sell limit order on this one. This is your first order block. Okay, then place your first sell limit order right here, and second sell limit order right there. The price, what ended up doing? It ended up actually going back to the origin. This is the origin of the drop. Okay, this is the origin. This right, oh, hold on. This right here, this is where the move started, what caused the actual break of this previous low right here, creating the change of character. So price went all the way back up to the origin. Sometimes it's not going to be going all the way back up to the origin. It's going to be just touching maybe a previous order block right here, and boom, just crash. Okay, the idea is to take the risk. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's try to, like for example here, even close without going too far. Let me see if there is a, we have the order block here definitely, but I was thinking about, let's see, supply. You see, big aggressive candle. You see, that's what you want to see, big candles, not this. This is liquidity. The market is consolidating, moving sideways. Not good. Liquidity. There was an order block here. Why this order block? Or a little order block right there. Yeah, that was a little order block. This was a nice clean drop. There was also imbalances right here. There was an imbalance here, little imbalance here, imbalance here. So yes, the price pushed up and stopped me out. And I was like, shit, it will happen. It will happen, especially when you are not in your session. What hour was this? Midday? Oh, it was actually midday. Yeah, it was midday. So, but still, you know, something happened. The price just continued pushing up instead of actually rejecting that zone right away. But what happened after that? Okay, I took this L. But then after that, what do you see? The price is actually going down very aggressively. Boom. And this aggressive movement created another order block right there. So, hey, it gave you another opportunity. You have, again, more imbalance right here. You have imbalance right there. And your sell, short position. Right there. Right? So it's basically taking the risk. We have to take the risk, guys.